Hi guys, welcome to Day 5, Overview of Collections and Non-Generics. In this section, we will see ArrayList, hash table, sorted list, stack, and queue. Now, we move on to the first video of this section that deals with ArrayList. In this video, we're going to take a look at properties and methods in ArrayList. We will also see a code example for ArrayList. As it is an array, it contains an ordered collection of an object and can be indexed individually. As this is a non-generic class, it is available under a separate NuGet package from System Collections Non-Generic. The declaring part is very simple. You can just define it as a variable of the ArrayList type. This code snippet shows how we can declare ArrayList. ArrayList is initialized using the default constructor. ArrayList1 is initialized for a specific initial capacity. ArrayList2 is initialized using an element of another collection. Let's discuss the method and properties used. The properties of ArrayList play a vital role while analyzing an existing ArrayList. Capacity property is the getter-setter property. With the use of this, we can set or get the number of elements of ArrayList. This is the example for capacity. Count is the total actual number of elements ArrayList contains. Here's the example of count. Now, we will see methods used. Properties play important roles while we're working with ArrayList. The first method is the add method that adds an object to the end of ArrayList. Here's the example for add method. The next method is void clear method removes all elements from ArrayList. This is the example of void clear method. Void remove method removes first occurred elements in the collection. Here is the example of void remove method. The last method is void sort method. We'll sort all the elements in ArrayList. Let's see the code for ArrayList. First, we will create a class and name it ArrayListExample. Now, we're going to add some package namespaces over here. Next, we make our class public. We then add code from the code bundle. Here, we define a method ArrayListExample. We declare the ArrayList here. We use the number random count method. Here, we use the count property of ArrayList, where we iterate the ArrayList. Using these lines of code, we print the ArrayList original content. We use the ArrayList.reverse function. Next, we print the reverse array function using these lines of code. After that, we print the ArrayList sorted content using the sort function. We declared a for each loop for our input. Now, we move to our main program. We add code in the main function. Here, we make object of our ArrayList. Let's run our code. It will ask you to enter the ArrayList size. Enter any number of your choice. We can see the ArrayList for original content, reverse content, and sorted content. In this video, we have looked at ArrayList.